Welcome back to another episode of Winning Product Friday, where we break down real products with real numbers so you can spot your next winner before the market gets saturated. Now, today's product is one of those products that instantly makes sense the second you see it. It solves a daily frustration almost every household deals with, and it does it in a way that feels simple, modern, and satisfying to watch. Let's talk about the CleanBot Mini Vacuum. This is a compact, rechargeable 3-in-1 cleaning device that sweeps, vacuums, and mops your floors automatically. It glides under furniture, cleans up crumbs, dust, and pet hair, and helps people keep their floors clean without constantly dragging out a heavy vacuum. And honestly, the problem here is super relatable. Floors get dirty fast. Between pets, kids, food crumbs, and everyday dust, people feel like they are constantly cleaning the same mess over and over again. Most people want cleaner homes, but they want less effort too. Now here's why this is a winning product. First, this is a strong problem-solving product. It targets a daily annoyance that almost every household experiences. The best products are the ones people immediately understand without needing a long explanation, and this fits perfectly into that category. Second, it is extremely easy to demonstrate in ads. You can show crumbs, pet hair, or dust on the floor, then instantly show the CleanBot sweeping it up in seconds. Those satisfying cleaning visuals perform incredibly well on TikTok and Facebook because people love watching transformation-style content. And third, the margins are very attractive. Your product cost is only $5.81, while the selling price is $29.95. That gives you a profit margin of $24.14 per sale, which leaves plenty of room for paid ads, upsells, bundles, and scaling. Now let's talk about who this product is really for. This is perfect for busy moms, pet owners, apartment dwellers, and people who want quick daily cleaning without spending a ton of time doing chores. You can also target people who work from home because clean spaces and convenience are huge selling points in that audience. Now let's get into the numbers because this product is already showing strong potential. The CleanBot Mini Vacuum is currently estimated to be generating around $39,465 per month, and it has been handpicked by e-commerce experts, which is a strong validation signal. Again, your cost is only $5.81, and the product sells for $29.95, leaving you with a $24.14 margin. That is a very healthy margin for a product in the home improvement and cleaning space. And here is something important most beginners overlook. Products like this are easy impulse purchases because the price feels affordable while still solving a real problem. People do not sit there debating for days whether they need cleaner floors with less effort. The value is obvious immediately. Now let's talk about how to actually sell this product. Your best platforms here are TikTok and Facebook. Focus on short, problem solution style creatives, satisfying cleaning clips, and UGC style videos. Show messy floors, pet hair, or crumbs first, then quickly reveal the CleanBot doing the work automatically. Keep the videos fast-paced and visually satisfying. And if you are wondering how to find suppliers or launch this product quickly, this is where Sell the Trend comes in. You can use it to research winning products, track competitor stores, import products directly into your store, and connect with reliable suppliers without wasting time searching manually. If you enjoyed this breakdown, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe because we drop new winning product opportunities every single week. And if you have not tried Sell the Trend yet, you can start your trial and get access to the tools you need to find, test, and scale products faster. Now I want to hear from you. Would you market the CleanBot Mini Vacuum more toward pet owners, or would you target busy families and apartment living? Drop your answer in the comments below, and I will see you in the next Winning Product Friday. Happy selling!